I'm currently on Shutterstock Contributor. These are the review results of the videos I created for this course. All of them have been approved without a single one being rejected. Now let's take a look at Adobe Stock. The countdown videos have also been reviewed and added to my portfolio without any being rejected. The review process took about a week after uploading. Here is the result of creating a transition template on Adobe Stock, which we will learn later. To create a transition template like this, the materials we need are a door opening animation, decorative background, additionally, PNG objects. Now go to YouTube and type opening door green screen. Then, look for a door animation where the door opens into the green screen like this. Not like this one. If you found a good video, copy the link, then go to Save From and paste the link, and choose the highest quality to download. After we get the opening door animation, now we're going to find a decorative background for free. Go to Google and type FreePick. Then enter the FreePick website and type background room. Look for a plain background that can be edited with the door animation and download it. After we get the background for decoration, now let's go find elements to decorate the background. Go to Google and type PNG wing. Here, we can download PNG images for free. Once on the PNG wing page, type any object you want to use for decoration. I typed doll and pressed enter. Choose any decoration you like and download it for free. Now that we have all the materials needed to create the transition template, I plan to make a transition template targeting YouTuber kids and others. I completely overlooked the potential of this before. The next tutorial will be about creating a transition template in the CapCut menu.